In a box you will find a 100-watt charger, cable, and case. But is it going to protect your camera? Yes, it will. All around. Is it going to protect a screen at the bottom and at the top and in the corners on the sides? Not really. Look at that beautiful screen. A beautiful design with a power button and volume button on the side, ear blaster and microphone on the top, antennas on the left, and SIM card tray and USB Type-C, and the speaker at the bottom. Look at that beautiful screen. It is 144 Hz, so if you choose to, for example, Amazon, look at the smoothness. Now that is a smooth 144 Hz experience. And for the benchmark, we do have 1900,000 points, so almost 2 million points. That's a normal score for any Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, like in the Galaxies, like the latest flagships for 2024. And that is astonishing because this smartphone is half the price. What about memory test, storage test? Also UFS 4.0, a fantastic score at the bottom. You can see that's really cool. But if you don't care about this one, you can care about this one. Another benchmark for you, and you can compare, for example, to Galaxy S23, which was 1,800. This one is 2,100, and in the multi, S23 has a 5,000, S23 Ultra, and this one is 6,300. When Galaxy S24 has similar score, and Xiaomi 14 was 6,600. So, well, with those benchmarks, doesn't mean anything if you cannot game. And this smartphone is designed for gaming, so let's game. Camera. And in the camera department, we do have, okay, maybe like this. We have a street mode. That's for the street, I guess. All right. Now with the telephoto, look at that quality of the macro quality. Wow. And literally every single dot. Anyway, in the video, we have HDR video, 4K 60 and 8K 24 if we wanted to. Switching back, front-facing camera, tracking me nicely. There is no autofocus in front-facing camera. There's a tons of different filters, beauty modes. We're not going to play around at them at the moment. It will take too much time. Unfortunately, in a super wide angle, only full HD, which is unfortunately. But in the photo department, HDR photo. Also very, very nice wide angle. We can zoom all the way to 120, which is a lot. Portrait mode, even wider. It's very nice. Damn. Nice. And anymore, we do have high-res movie mode, which will engage a full screen, but that's only in full HD, so that's pointless, at least for me. Pro photo, high-res. Okay, let me show you some samples for photo and video. Can you spy on your neighbor? Of course you can. And that is pretty cool. Tasty bunch. In the top menu, you will find gestures. I mean, it is working, but it's quite difficult to operate. These days, brands chasing camera. And Realme is chasing gaming experience. 144 Hz, beautiful screen, fantastic speakers, no overheating. It also has a beautiful camera, but those have a better video experience. But they are like twice more expensive. Okay, twice. So if you don't really care about video filming with a smartphone too much, then this one. Let me show you the price. Let me find it. GT5. Wow. Now that is a fantastic price without any additional cost. I will also give you a link in the description and a discount code in the description. And if you use my link, you're helping out this channel to grow. Tons and tons of new flagship and also a fantastic sale. See you next video. Bye.